Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix too many friends on Snapchat. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So what I am going to do first is to go into my Snapchat app. So go into your Snapchat app, and now when you are on your Snapchat app, then what we are going to do first is to click on your profile in the top left corner. So click on your profile in the top left corner, and then you should be able to take in right here, as you can see. So what we need to do now is to scroll down and then click here. It says my friends, so click on my friends, and in here you should be able to view all of your friends on Snapchat. So what you need to do now is to take one of this like person in here. You need to click on them and just hold. So just click and hold, and as you can see you are able to view this page, right? And we are going to do now is to click here. It says manage friendship, so please on manage friendship, and in here we need to click where it says remove friend, and then click on remove basically. And this is because we actually need to remove one of our friend to be able to add another one. If we get this error that we are not able to do more Snapchat friends because we already have too many. So basically this is actually how to fix this issue. So this is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.